Now we're going to demonstrate how we do the 25 turned 2-inch tassel for Lovely Bird with a 6-inch string. So we're going to take our string, we're going to measure it about 13 inches long because we need it to be a finished edge. We're going to fold it in half, and that gives us a double strand at 13 inches long. We're going to tuck it into our card. We're going to make it somewhat even as we can. And then we're just going to start wrapping our thread. So we're doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And we cut at 25. And we take the string this time and we make it even before we tie our knot, because we need them to be 6 inches. See, after we tie the knot, we want them to be about 6 inches. So we're going to tuck that in, tie the knot, at the top, and then we leave these up. We slide it off the card. We find the center of the loops. We pull and cut. And not like Tassel, we leave this up. And then we find our new string, cut a piece off, tuck it under, and on a 2-inch tassel it goes about, I would say, it's about a 1/2 inch. The head, we call this the ghost, the head of the ghost is about 1/2 inch down. So we tie it tight on one side, flip it upside down, tie it in a knot, we leave it going up, and then we just trim it off. And I did not do a very good job, so I have to do it again. And that is a 25 turn, 2-inch tassel with a 6-inch string. So 6 inches, 2-inch tassel, más o menos. And that's for Lovely Bird.